Hello, teacher.
Oh, dear again. Okay, hello dear. You don't have camera. Hello dear, you don't have camera.
Mẹ ơi, mẹ chụp bật camera mẹ ơi.
Ủa?
Yeah,
Đúng rồi.
oh, it's okay now. Okay, so now dear, hello again. So your lesson now is Unit 5, Look at Us. Okay, so now dear, let's have now this one. So now dear, let's have here the warm up. So look at the picture. Okay, where is the children? Where is the children? Look at the picture. Where is the children? They are in the
Chờ.
park. Okay. So now, dear, let's read. The children
100
are
are
in the park.
the pool.
Again, one more time. The children
100
are
are
in the park.
in a park.
In the park.
In the park.
Very good. So they play with, what do you call this? What do you call this? They play with their parents. Okay, now say, they play, again, one more time. They play
They play
with their parents.
with their darling.
Again, they
They
play
play
with
with
their
their
parents.
brethren.
Parents.
Brethren.
Okay, how about this one? Children.
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 Very good. How about this one? Now let's have your words to know. Now, can you say fly?
Fly.
Can you say it 3 times? Fly, fly, fly. Very good. Now let's make a sentence. Birds can fly. Say it.
Okay, fly.
One more time. Birds can fly.
Who can fly?
Very good. So that is correct. How about, let's have here the second words to know. Now, can you say sky?
Yes.
Very good. Now, can you repeat 3 times? Sky, sky, sky.
Sky, sky.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one?
Water.
Oh. Okay, now let's make a sentence. Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
One more time. Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Very good. That is correct. How about, let's have here this one. Now, can you say 3 times? Water, water, water. Say it.
Water, water, water.
Very good. That is correct. Now, let's make a sentence. I drink water.
I drink the water.
Again, I drink water.
I drink water.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? Now, can you say swim?
Swim. Swim.
Very good. Now, can you say it 3 times? Swim, swim, swim.
Swim.
Very good. That is correct. Now let's make a sentence. I swim in the water. Say it.
I swim water.
Again. I swim in the water.
I swim in the water.
Very good. One more time. I swim in the water.
I swim in the water.
Very good. That is correct. How about number 5? Now, can you say run? Again, can you say it 3 times? Run, run, run.
Run, run, run.
Very good. So that is correct. How about let's make a sentence? They can run. Say it.
They can run.
Very good. Again, one more time. They can run.
They can run.
Good job. So now let's have now the sight words. Now, can you say wind?
Wind.
Can you say it 3 times? Wind.
Wind.
Very good. So that is correct. Now let's make a sentence. I play
with
my friends.
my friend.
Again, one more time. I play with my friend. Very good. That is correct. How about the next one? Now, can you say in? Say in. Very good. Now, can you say it 3 times? In.
Manang din ako ya. It.
Again, in.
In.
Okay, say it 3 times. In.
In.
Okay, very good. So that is correct. Now, how about let's make a sentence. I am
in my
room.
room.
Again, one more time. I am in my room. Say it. I am in my room.
I am in my room.
Very good. That is correct. How about now look and circle. So what's this? What's
Fly.
this? Very good. Fly. Which one? 1 or 2? Which one? It's number 2. Very good. How about this one? What's this?
Sky.
It's sky. So which one? 1 or 2?
1.
Number 1. That is correct. How about let's have here main reading. Now, can you say look at us? Look at us. Say it. Look at us.
Look at.
Very good. Now let's have here this one. I have wings. Say it. I have wings. I can fly.
Can fly.
I fly with God in the sky.
Fly in a sky.
Again, one more time. I have wings.
I have wings.
I can fly. I fly with God.
I fly in
with dad. Again, I fly with dad
I fly with dad
in the sky.
in the sky.
Very good. How about this one? There is water. Hello? There is water.
There is water.
I can swim.
I can swim.
I swim with mom in the water.
I swim
With mom
in the water.
again. I swim
I
with
swim
mom
with water
in the water.
in the water.
Okay, again. How about this one? I can run.
I can run.
I run with my friends.
I run with my friend.
Very good. How about again one more time? I have wings. I have wings.
I have voice.
I can fly.
I can fly.
I fly with dad
I fly with them
in the sky.
in the sky.
There is water.
There is water.
I can swim.
Can swim.
I swim with mom
Swim with mom
in the water.
in the water.
I can run.
I can run.
I run with my friends.
I run with my friend.
Very good. That is all correct. Good job. So now then, let's have here the question. Who can fly? Can you circle? Who can fly?
Bro.
Which one? The bird, the elephant, or the zebra? Which? Who
The
can
bird.
fly?
The
The
bird.
birds. Okay. How about who can swim? The bird, the elephant, or the zebra?
Elephant.
The elephant. How about who can run?
Zebra.
The zebra. That is correct. How about who can fly with who can fly with what? With who can fly?
With them.
With that. How about who can swim?
Swim with mom.
Very good. Who can run?
Run. Run with my friend.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? Now let's read and look. Now let's have number 1. Now can you say sky? So which one in the picture is sky? 1 or 2?
2.
Number 2. That is correct. How about which one is swim?
Number 2.
Number 2. That is correct. How about which one in the picture can run?
1.
Number 1. That is correct. So now, how about let's make a sentence. Look, read, and circle. Which one? 1 or 2? Look at the picture. I belong in the sky. Which one here? Which one? 1 or 2? I fly or I swim? Which one? I fly or I swim?
Fly.
Again, I can't hear you.
Fly.
I can fly. What number is it?
Number 1.
Number 1. Very good. Now let's read. I fly in the sky.
Fly in the sky.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? I swim in the sky or the water.
I swim in water.
Very good. That is correct.
Hello.
Again, one more time. Let's read. I swim in the water. Okay, say it. I swim in the water. Can you say it? I swim in the water.
Swim in the water.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? What's this? What's this? I run, fly with my friends.
I can run with my friend.
Very good. That is correct. Again, one more time. I run with my friends.
With my friend.
Very good. That is correct. How about let's have here watch and say the sentences. Let's have here complete the sentence. 1, 2, and 3. So I can, what's this? What's this? I, number,
Number 2.
number 2. That is correct. Now let's read. I swim with my friends. Say it. I swim with my friends. Say it.
Swim with my friend.
Very good. That is correct. Again, one more time. I swim with my friends.
Swim with my friend.
Very good. How about number 2? What's this?
Deep breath.
Number
3.
Number 3. Very good. Now let's read. I ran with my dad.
With my dad.
Very good. How about number 3? What's this?
Fly.
Oh, complete number?
Number 1.
Very good. Now let's read. I fly with my mom. Say it. I fly with my mom. Very good. That is correct. How about let's have here a sentence. I look at the picture. What's this? I
swim with my friend.
I swim with my friends. Very good. Again, one more time. Say it. I swim with my friends. That is correct. How about this one? I run with
With the Dad.
Very good. I ran with my dad. How about this one? What's this? What's this?
I can fly with
I can fly with
a dad.
or with my mom. Again, say it. I fly with my mom.
Fly with my mom.
Very good. That is correct. So now, dear, let's have here step 1. Read and number the story in order. So now, let's have here number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Now, let's read. I ran with my friends. See it. I
Number
ran.
3.
Number 3. Very good. Now, can you read? I ran with my friends. Say it. I ran with my friends. Hello, can you say it? I ran with my friends.
My friend.
Very good. How about I have a wings? I can fly.
Number 1.
Number 1. Now let's read. I have wings. I can fly. Say it.
Can fly.
Very good. How about I swim with mom in the water?
Number 4.
Number 4. Now let's read. I swim with mom in the water. Say it.
With mom in the water.
Very good. How about I
Number 2.
fly with dad in the sky?
Number 2.
Number 2. Now, can you read? I fly with dad in the sky.
Number 2.
Okay, read.
I fly
With dad.
with the
With dad. Dad
dad
in
the
sky.
sky.
Very good. That is correct. How about let's have you retell the story. What happened in this story? What happened? Now let's read. I have wings. I can fly. Say it.
I can fly.
Oh, say it. I have wings. I can fly.
I can fly.
Okay, very good. How about this one? I fly with dad in the sky.
With that in the sky.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? I swim with mom in the water.
Mom in the water.
Very good. That is correct. How about this one? I ran with my friends.
My friend.
Again, I ran with my friends.
I run with my friend.
Very good. That is correct. So now, dear, again, can you retell what happened to this story? Can you recall and retell the story? Tom, can you describe what happened to this story? Or retell the story. I
Uh,
have, what do you call this? What do you call this? I have wings.
A wing.
I can
Can
fly.
fly.
Again, one more time. I have wings. I
have a
can
wing.
fly.
I can fly.
Very good. How about this one? What happened to this one? What happened in this story?
Can fly with that.
Very good. That is correct. I fly with dad in the sky. How about this one? What's this?
Swim with mom. A water.
Very good. I swim with mom in the water. How about this one? What's this?
I run with my friend.
Very good. Again, let's read one more time. I have wings. Say it. I have wings.
Then
I can fly.
fly.
Very good. How about I fly with dad in the sky?
Sky.
Again, I fly with dad in the sky.
In the sky.
Very good. How about I swim with mom in the water?
Swim
With
with
mom
mom in a water.
in the water.
In the water.
Very good. I run with my friends.
I get one with my friend.
Very good. That is correct. So good job, my dear. Now let's have here. Okay. So now, dear, goodbye and see you again next time. So you did a great job for today as usual. Okay. So now, dear, thank you so much and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye and have a great day. Goodbye, Tom. Bye-bye, dear. Bye. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye, my dear.